I want to tell you something that happened to a guy named Ryan Henderson. He bought a shed plan, got his 2x4s, got his tools, started cutting lumber to size, and then he hit a wall, right in the middle of the build, completely stuck, staring at the plan and thinking, how do you get from this point in the plan to that part? Sound familiar? Because here's the truth that most people won't tell you. The shed plans sold by big publishers, the ones sitting on shelves in hardware stores and plastered all over websites. Most of them are not even written by woodworkers. They are written by ghost writers who have never touched a single piece of lumber in their life. And that is exactly why so many people start a shed build and never finish it. But today, I want to show you what happened after Ryan had that frustrating experience. Because he didn't quit, he created something, and it has now helped over 7,500 people build stunning sheds of their own. Let's get into it. Welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel dedicated to helping everyday people build real, beautiful, professional-grade projects with their own hands. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. We post videos that actually help you build better. Today I am giving you my full, honest review of Ryan's shed plans. No fluff, no hype, just the truth about what this product is, what it does, and whether it is actually worth the $37 they're charging for it in 2026. So first, who exactly is Ryan Henderson and why should you listen to him? Ryan is a professional craftsman and woodworking educator. He goes by the name Shed Master, not because someone gave him a title, but because he has spent years building sheds, teaching others to build sheds, and refining what it actually takes to produce a perfect plan. And here's what makes his story credible. He was not some expert who never struggled. He was the guy who got stuck mid-build, the guy who felt that frustration firsthand. And because of that, he understood exactly what a plan needs to include so that a builder never gets stuck. That experience became the foundation for everything he created. He has been featured in HGTV Magazine, the DIY Network, Better Homes and Gardens, Woodworker's Journal, and even the New York Times. That is not a small list. That is a track record. Ryan's Shed Plans is a digital collection of over 12,000 shed plans and blueprints. When you purchase, you get instant access to a private members area where you can search, browse, and download plans covering every shed style, size, and design you can imagine. Small garden sheds, large workshop buildings, gambrel barn sheds, modern flat roof designs, she sheds, saltbox sheds, off-grid cabin retreats, garages, outbuildings. Every roof type is covered: gable roofs, gambrel roofs, hip roofs, pent roofs, saltbox roofs, bonnet roofs, pyramid roofs, flat roofs. Every single one. Classic traditional designs and modern contemporary styles. If you can picture a shed, it is almost certainly in this collection. Here is where Ryan's plans genuinely separate themselves from everything else on the market. And I want to be specific here, because specifics matter. Most free or cheap plans show you one flat drawing, maybe a front view. That's it. Ryan's plans show you every single angle. Front, back, left side, right side, interior framing, roof detail, door detail, window detail. Why does this matter? Because when you only see one angle, you can build a section of your shed that looks like the drawing, but it isn't. And you don't find out until the very end when nothing fits together. After all that time, money, and sweat, Ryan's plans eliminate that entirely. Ryan describes his instructions as Lego style, and that is the most accurate description I have heard for what a great set of plans should feel like. So detailed that you know exactly what you're doing at every single step. No confusing technical jargon. No, assuming you already know what comes next. When the instructions are this clear, the shed practically builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. This is one of the most underrated features in the entire collection. Every plan comes with a complete, itemized materials list. Not a rough estimate, not a vague reference. An exact list of every piece of material you need, what it is, how much of it to buy, and most importantly, what each item is going to be used for and at which stage of the build. This means one trip to the hardware store. Buy exactly what you need. Nothing more. Nothing less. No wasted lumber. No mid-project runs for that one thing the plan forgot to mention. No budget surprises. And alongside that, a precise cutting list. Every length, every cut, laid out before you ever pick up a saw. Other plans give you hand-drawn sketches that sometimes show completely wrong dimensions. Ryan's plans use computer-aided design, also known as CAD drawing, which means exact, accurate proportions every single time. You see what each part is supposed to look like in 3 dimensions before you ever start building. With this level of clarity, there's no guessing. There's no wondering if you got a joint or a frame together the right way. You can see it. You know it. You build it right the first time. Here is something I genuinely appreciate about this package. The bonuses are not filler. They are actually useful. When you order, you get 4 bonuses included at no extra charge. Bonus 1 is Advanced Woodworking Tips. This is a collection of techniques Ryan developed over years of professional building. Minor adjustments in setup, tool care, and planning that can dramatically improve the quality of any project you work on. Retail value, $129. Bonus 2 is Magic Modifications, a worksheet that shows you how to modify the dimensions of any plan in the collection to fit your exact space. Need the shed a foot longer? 2 feet narrower? This worksheet gives you the precise cuts and lengths to make it happen without any guesswork. Its retail value is $79. Bonus 3 is a complete directory of woodworking suppliers. The most up-to-date directory of suppliers and wholesalers available, covering everything from standard lumber to rare exotic woods. Updated monthly. Its retail value is $39.95. Bonus 4 is 400 additional woodworking plans. Projects well beyond sheds, furniture, garden structures, storage solutions, and more. Bonus 4th retail value is $97. And finally, the total bonus value is over $340. All of it is free when you order today. Quick pause before I get to the price. If you're watching this channel because you want to get better at woodworking, whether that's your first shed, your first workbench, or your first piece of furniture, I want to point you towards something that can genuinely accelerate that journey. I've put a link in the description below to one of the best woodworking plan resources I've personally come across. If you want to build like a pro, with proper plans, proper instructions, and proper materials lists, check the link in the description. It will be the best investment you make in your woodworking journey this year. Now, let's talk about the price and whether it's worth it. Ryan's Shed Plans is currently priced at $37. One-time payment, no subscription, no hidden fees, no recurring charges, lifetime access to the members area, including new plans added every month. Now let's put that number in a real-world context. Hiring a contractor to build a basic 10x8 shed? You're looking at $2,000 to $4,000 in labor alone. Materials on top of that. Buying a pre-built 10x8 shed from your local store? Over $3,000. A 12x20 pre-built? Close to $5,000. Now here's what Ryan's customers are actually spending. A 10x8 shed built using these plans will usually cost around $900 in materials total. And if you're building something bigger, like a 12x20 shed, you're generally looking at somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500 in total material costs. That means on a single shed build, you could save more than $2,000 compared to buying pre-built. You pay $37 for the plans. You spend $900 on materials. You build a $3,000 shed for under $1,000. If you do the math, this product pays for itself about 50 times over on your very first build. And here's the final piece. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied, Ryan offers a full 60-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. No hassle. Just email him and you get a full refund. There's literally no financial risk. Now I could tell you this product is great all day long. But let me share what real customers have said. Thomas Ronsley from Abrams, Wisconsin said he managed to build his storage shed for far less than what it costs in retail. Aaron Knox from Moreno Valley, California built an 8x10 outdoor shed for his kids as a complete non-builder and said the clear directions and materials list made all the difference. Ivan Page from Medford, Oregon said he saved at least $3,000 compared to buying a pre-built kit from his local store. and he finished his 12 by 20 shed on a Sunday morning, feeling genuinely excited about what he had built. Douglas Beck from Concord, New Hampshire, someone who has bought many woodworking books and plans over the years, called this collection hands down the best and the most value for money of all of them. And Earl Herring from Richmond, Texas, a builder with years of professional experience, said the designs in Ryan's package are some of the nicest looking sheds he has seen in a while. These are not paid testimonials. These are real people who bought the plans and shared their experience. Let me be straight with you, because I think you deserve an honest take. The pros are significant. 12,000 plans is an almost unmatched library. The instruction quality is genuinely excellent, clear, beginner-friendly, and complete. The 3D computer-aided design format drawings remove all guesswork. The materials and cutting lists save real money. The price is remarkably low for what you receive. The bonuses add genuine value, and the 60-day guarantee makes it risk-free to try. Now the honest cons. This is a digital product. You download the plans and either view them on screen or print them out. If you strongly prefer a physical book format, that is worth knowing, though they do offer a physical shipping option. And with 12,000 plans to browse, the sheer volume can feel a little overwhelming when you first log in. It takes a few minutes to orient yourself, but the search filters make it very manageable once you know what you're looking for. Those are minor points that do not change the overall value in any meaningful way. So, Ryan's Shed Plans 2026. Is it worth $37? Yes, completely and without hesitation. For $37, you get 12,000 professional plans for high-value bonuses, lifetime members access, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Whether you are building your very first shed or your 10th, this collection gives you everything you need to do it right, do it on budget, and do it without the frustration that kills most shed projects before they're finished. The link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you want to keep exploring woodworking projects, DIY build guides, and ideas for your next backyard project, come visit us at woodcraftingideas.com. We've got project ideas, beginner tutorials, tool recommendations, and a community of builders, just like you, who are creating incredible things every single day. The link is in the description. We would love to see you there. All right, that is my full honest review of Ryan's shed plans for 2026. I really hope this gave you the clarity you needed to make a confident decision. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching this video. It genuinely means the world that you spent your time here with DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. If this review helped you at all, please take just 5 seconds and hit the like button. It costs you nothing, and it helps this video reach more people who are looking for exactly this information. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. And if you have a friend or family member who has been thinking about building a shed, share this video with them. You might be giving them the push they needed to finally go for it. Drop a comment below and tell me, what kind of shed are you planning to build? I read every single comment, and I genuinely love hearing about your projects. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and remember this: the shed you've been dreaming about doesn't build itself, but with the right plan, it practically does. See you in the next video.